Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Shivakshi. I post makeup, beauty related content. So please do subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, share it, and yeah. So here I am with this smoky eye because smoky eyes go with each type of outfit, be it an Indian outfit, be it what do we say? What do we be it a Western outfit. Smoky eyes, you know, they are just amazing and they are perfect for every outfit, for every occasion. And the festive season is already here, the wedding season is here, so here I am with the smoky eye. So let's start. So first I'm using the Pond's moisturizer and I'm applying it onto my face. So I have actually changed my editing style, so please let me know if you like it. Okay, now I'm just taking the Max cream and hydrating my skin further. Now using this primerizer by Faces Canada, I prime my face. And taking the Sugar's Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 12 Unleash. I am covering my dark circles, and after that we have our foundation, which is the Maybelline's 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 320 Honey. Oof. Yeah, foundations have a long name, guys. So this is the closest match according to me that I have to my skin tone, and it's a really nice foundation. It does not oxidize very much, so I love it. Now using this Infallible Full Wear Concealer, I am applying it on the high points of my face and on the areas where I slightly want coverage, and apply very little, right? Okay, now it's time for baking because I'm going to use dark eyeshadows, right, which will leave fallouts. So I am taking the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 25 Medium, and baking. Now taking this Maybelline's kajal, I'm applying it on the eyelid part, on my entire eyelid, you can say, but below the crease. I won't cross the crease. So this will actually make a good base for my black eyeshadow and make it look even darker. Now for eyeshadow, I'll be using this Tammy Into Revolution palette. I love it. So I'm gonna use these browns and also the black. Now again, there's not much to explain. You just have to watch and practice because tutorials will only help you to learn the basic idea of makeup, and it's the practice that will make you perfect at this. Yeah, haven't you heard? Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes everyone perfect. I know everyone is perfect, but still, we need to practice. Alright, so I'm just telling you the basic technique. I applied the browns in my crease so that I get a nice gradient effect, and then I'm packing on the black and slightly blending it upwards so that again for the nice blended in gradient type of effect which will look really good. So yeah, that is the whole funda, and now you have to just watch, guys. So here I am just adding on a bit more of loose powder. It's just because if you do that around your nose slightly looks slimmer. And so now I'll just be cleaning up the concealer. I'll be cleaning with the concealer. I'll just give my eyebrows a bit more shape. And another thing I wanted to say was that you don't have to be super precise when you do this step. It's because you can obviously go ahead and clean your eyeshadow with the concealer if you have done your base already, or you can use the wet wipe or an earbud, we say, right? Earbud with some micellar water will also do the job. So yeah, you can do any of these, but I went ahead with the concealer because that was my personal preference. You can use any of the methods that I suggested or anything that works for you, right? So here I'm just blending on a little bit more of the eyeshadow, and now I'm just contouring using this K Beauty's contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus. Yeah, it was Caramel Focus. So first I'll just dust off the bake, and then I'll blend this nose contour, and you can see my nose definitely looks a bit more sharper and thinner. So now I'm just using the Sugar's blush stick in the shade 03 Mauve Marvel, and I just applied that blush for a very natural blush effect. You don't have to go overboard with the blush or highlighter. The eyes just do everything. So you have to make sure that your base is a bit natural looking if your eyes are too bold. Now again, so now I'm just cleaning up the eyeshadow on certain parts, and where I wanted some more coverage, I'm just applying it and blending, because blending is the key to a flawless base and face. I keep on saying that. Okay, now I'm just smudging some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So now I'm applying some kohl in my waterline, both in the upper and the lower waterline. It's super important because it makes a huge difference, guys, you can see. And especially when you're doing smoky eyes, kajal is a must. It is a must. Alright, so now I am taking the L'Oreal's Back to Bronze bronzer. Yeah, I'm taking this bronzer, and I am sort of contouring, that is, I am trying to contour with the bronzer as well as bronzing at the same time. So that is contouring, bronzing plus contouring. Alright, so you see that. And again, bringing back the shadows of your face is again very important, because then your face won't look flat, your features will be brought out, right? Now I'm just using this Nykaa's Get Cheeky Duo blush in the shade 03 Malibu Barbie, and applying it onto the apples of my cheeks. Again, don't go overboard with blush or anything, just apply the right amount of everything. Alright, so now I am smudging some black eyeshadow and kind of setting the kajal. So now this step is a really wonderful step. So if you don't like wearing kajal, you can smudge some black eyeshadow very close to your waterline, so it'll give an illusion of you wearing it. Now I'm just fixing my makeup using this Swiss Beauty's fixer, and this fixer is really good, guys. Now taking the Sugar's highlighter, I'm applying a very little amount of highlighter. Do you see that? This highlighter is a really good one. I mean, you can apply it as per your liking. It's a really good highlighter, and also that, you know, just don't go overboard with anything, and that is the key to this look. Balancing out everything is super important. And now I'll just apply the lipstick and be back. I'm just applying any random nude lipstick. You can go for anything that you want, guys. Yeah, so now I'm just curling my eyelashes, and after that I'm applying some mascara. This one is the Sugar's Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade 01 Black with a Bang. And after doing the mascara, I applied some falsies, and here's the finished look, you guys. This is an amazing look, especially for the festive season. It's just perfect. It goes with every outfit. It looks super good. Every age group can wear it, like everyone, teenagers, people in their 20s, people in their 30s and 40s, everyone can wear it. It looks super nice. It goes well with all the outfits, with the Indian golds, with also the silvers, and with everything. So I love it. And bye guys, this is it for today's video.